Which one do you want to open? No Minecraft.
Okay.
Because Minecraft is going to be for when Noah gets out of school. We're here checking out our bin. We're looking for a quick car to open.
This one.
That one. No, not right now. Not the Monopoly. So he's seeing all the Minecraft cars, the character cars. We got a spider here.
Oh, Daddy!
You got those. Okay, later we're gonna open up a big one. Okay, let's see. And Noah's gonna get out of school, so we'll open up all these Minecraft ones.
Close your eyes.
Close my eyes. Close my eyes.
And pick.
I pick one. Okay. Closing my eyes. I'm closing my eyes. I'm closing my eyes. No veo, no veo. How about this one? Keep looking, keep looking.
What? No! I know this
Yeah, I
one.
like mine better. Yeah, which one of these two? Let's open up one of these two. Thundercats or Masters of the Universe.
Okay.
I'm gonna open one of these two. Mira, hey, I'm gonna open one of these two. Which one do you want to open?
I'll close my eyes.
Mira, the tank.
Oh, God, got Joker.
You got a Joker car. No, that one later. Alright, that one's kind of special. I want to look for the other one that I use. So I'm probably gonna pick this one out. The Thundercats Classic Premium. Hot Wheels Premium. What'd you find? You found a soda one?
You open the one.
And
I opened this one. That one.
what did you do, Micah? Oh, open it up. Right, you open that one up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, show it right here. Aquí on top of the cart. Oh wow! Look at that.
Cool.
Show it right here. Where the cart is. So this is from the Hot Wheels. Hold on, dude. Hold on. Let me show you. Hot Wheels 2022. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. You gotta show it good. Show it right. This is the Earth Day Carbonator with the can opener thing in blue. Very cool. Wait, hey, no, hey. Open more? Okay, alright, my turn. The ones from the bottom. I was gonna open the Thundercats. No, not those. Here, no, not that one. We've opened that one before. We will not. Alright, let's see. Let's see first, let's see it. We've opened this one before. Let's open up another one. Hold on. Hey. Here. This one. No, this one. Open, look, the race car. Yeah.
The one will be mine.
Yeah, give me the card. Let me see. So this one is the Indi 500 Oval. From the,
Oval?
yeah. Indi 500 Oval. Oh, you dropped it.
Nice.
No, let's see. Nice.
Wait, you only this one?
So very cool. The Hot Wheel team. No, we're not gonna open up that one. Let's open up a single one. These small ones for the Hot Wheel. Look for another Hot Wheel one. So very cool. I like the matte color. It's very nice. No, Micah's doing a blind. Can't go.
Oh my God.
Alright, let me see it first. Let's see. Have we opened it? I don't think so. Let me see it. I don't think so. Let me see. Let me see.
How?
Ooh, a nice one. Here, well, let me read the name of it. He's gonna open up an Automobili Pininfarina Battista. A ver. Automobili Pininfarina, whatever. In blue, it looks really cool. It's from the Exotics.
I like blue, my favorite color.
Blue is your favorite color? I thought it was green.
Oh.
Very cool. Exotic car. Hot Wheels Exotic.
Are we on Saturday?
Hot Wheels Exotic.
I know it.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh no, it fell. Hey, this is very cool. You got some good picking. Micah knows how to pick them. Very cool rims. Very nice blue.
Dad, your turn. Pick from here. Pick
Very
from
cool.
here, my
Exotic car. We got the headlights there painted. Very nice.
Dad, pick from
Very
here.
cool.
From
Pick,
here.
pick. Okay.
Okay, no,
Since-
here. Right here.
Hold on. Let
Small
me
your
look
eyes.
for the other cars.
Small your
Oh no! We've lost the other car. Micah kind of made a mess on organizing a lot of things. So
No, my car.
we couldn't
My
find.
car.
Hold on, let me show it. Let me show it. So this is
My car.
that 500 one, and here is that exotic one. So thank you for tuning in. Say bye, Micah.